The big question. The historic site of New Orleans has really been taken over by folks in Carolina and Duke Blue. WFON News 2's Kevin Kennedy caught up with some Carolina fans experiencing what the city has to offer ahead of tonight's showdown.
Good afternoon from New Orleans. We woke up this morning to rain. As you can probably tell, it's not raining now. A perfect day for this big matchup between Duke and North Carolina. We've been following North Carolina on their way to the Final Four, and it has ended here in New Orleans. Earlier today, though, before this epic battle, we had a chance to go back down to the French Quarter and soak up a little bit of the sights and specifically the sounds. New Orleans certainly known for its street musicians, and FYI, they are spectacular. But we wanted to know if they could play a special song for our North Carolina fans. Walk around the French Quarter and you hear it reverberating off the aging buildings, resonating through the crowded streets. New Orleans is home to some of the most soulful sounds around.
To be able to perform in front of them people is a very unique thing, because this is where the birthplace of music came from, and I love performing this music.
Mark Tuba Smith and his group have been performing in front of the famed Café du Mont for years.
Everybody from all over the continent come here to New Orleans play. And then
The music on this day, a Final Four concert of sorts, basketball fans enjoying every note.
It's relaxing and freeing, and the tension's released, and you know it's building for the whole day.
On this day, it won't be Saints celebrating. UNC fans hoping it's a Tar Heel takeover. After every win, the UNC band plays Sweet Caroline. Maybe this ensemble could get things going. I asked them to play Sweet Caroline for all the North Carolina fans, and they didn't know it.
Are you serious?
Yes. A few blocks over, another group, another chance. Sweet sounds, but another no for Sweet Caroline. Back on Decatur Street, Mark and his group are vibing, but we wanted one song, so we compromised. Look, I don't want to put you on the spot. Give me a little bit. Just give me a little hum, just real quick.
Sweet Caroline, ba ba ba.
Sweet Caroline, bump, bump, bump.
It might not be up to New Orleans standards, but for Carolina fans, not much beats this sweet sound.
Sweet Caroline.
We'll be singing the blues after tonight's game. North Carolina fans hope it's Duke. They'd prefer to be singing Sweet Caroline. In New Orleans, I'm Kevin Kennedy, WFMY News 2.